Hello everyone, a very good morning. I am Venu. I am studying 10th in Gautam High School in Produttur. Hope all of you had your breakfast. Have you ever planned your breakfast in terms of nutrients? If you want to plan a well-balanced and nutritious diet, you want to know about nutrients. You might have understood what today our topic is. We are going to discuss nutrients and their types, macronutrients and micronutrients, and the importance of each nutrient, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and their deficiency diseases, malnutrition and its types, and the diseases caused by overeating. And at last, we'll discuss how to avoid indigestion. Let's start. What are nutrients? Nutrients are components of food such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. They can be broadly divided into macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are the nutrients which are required in large amounts to our body. Micronutrients are the nutrients which are required to our body in less quantities. Let's take first macronutrients. Macronutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Eat your food as your medicine. Otherwise, you will have to eat medicine as your food. So one should focus on their diet. The diet should comprise of macronutrients and micronutrients in required amounts, which we call a balanced diet. First, we'll start with macronutrient, carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are nothing but sugar molecules. Our body breaks carbohydrates into glucose, which is the main source of energy. If we don't eat enough amount of carbohydrates, we may fall into a number of diseases, which we call malnutrition. What is malnutrition? Eating of food that does not have one or more than nutrients in required amounts. It is known as malnutrition. Poor health, willful starvation, lack of awareness on nutritious diets are the reasons for malnutrition. Malnutrients are three types. First one is calorie malnutrition, which is caused due to the deficiency of carbohydrates. Second one is protein malnutrition. It is caused due to the deficiency of proteins. One example for this protein malnutrition is kwashiorkor disease. Because of this disease, the child's body parts become swollen because of accumulation of water in intracellular spaces. Very poor muscle development, swollen legs, fluffy face, difficult to eat, diarrhea, dry skin are the symptoms of this disease. And third type is protein calorie malnutrition. This is caused due to deficiency of both proteins and carbohydrates. One example for this malnutrition is marasmus. This disease generally causes immediate second pregnancy or repeated childbirths. It also occurs in famines and drought conditions. If we come to symptoms of this disease, lean and weak, swelling in joints of limbs, less developed muscles, dry skin, diarrhea are the symptoms of this disease. To keep all these diseases away, we should eat well. There is a saying, you are what you eat. If you eat bad food, your health will be affected. If you eat good food, you will be healthy. 2/3 of the population are facing with food-related diseases. So we should focus on nutritious balanced diet. But we should eat food in a limited quantity. Otherwise, it may cause obesity. Obesity, it is due to overeating and excess of calorie intake. It is a big health hazard. Obese children, when grow, they will be target of many diseases like diabetes, renal, gallbladder problems. The only solution to this obesity is to eat in a limited way. Next, if you come to macronutrients, other types, proteins. Proteins are meant for repair and maintenance and for the improvement of immune system, and the deficiency of a proteins also causes number of diseases. And fats Fats are very essential to body as they help in absorbing vitamins such as A, D, E and K. Water vitamins are chemical compounds. They are micronutrients. Usually we won't get affected by vitamin deficiency diseases because we get vitamins in two ways. One is through our diet and another one is it is produced by the bacteria in the stomach. We should not take antibiotics unnecessarily because it kills the bacteria in the stomach and causes vitamin deficiency diseases. Vitamins are discovered by Funk and they are divided into two types: water soluble vitamins, vitamin B complex and C, and fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, D, E, K. Their deficiency also causes number of problems. Vitamin B complex deficiency causes cracks, corners of mouth, diarrhea, loss of memory, loss of appetite, walking problems, etc. One of the most common nutritional deficiency disease is iron deficiency anemia. Your blood cells need iron in order to supply your body with oxygen, and if you don't have enough iron, your blood won't function properly. And vitamin D deficiency may affect the health of our bones, making it difficult to absorb calcium and use calcium. Eye skin diseases are caused by the deficiency of vitamin A, and vitamin E deficiency causes fertility disorders. Vitamin K deficiency causes delay in blood clotting and overbleeding. So you should take all the components of food in required amounts to be free of all these diseases. Another major problem society is facing with is indigestion. To avoid it, we should eat food in leisurely manner. We should eat well balanced meals. We should thoroughly masticate the food. We should avoid doing violent exercises after eating food, and we should drink plenty of water. We should not eat food in a hurry manner which may cause ulcers. Because of the current pandemic, we have known the value of food. So let's not waste it and take the food in required amounts. There is a saying, eat to live, not live to eat. Thank you.